Just minutes from the bustle of northwest London lies a peaceful escape. Rolling meadows, ancient hedgerows, and the timeless calm of countryside trails. Today, we will be exploring the Arrandene open space circular, a hidden gem in Mee Hill. This is an excellent trail to go for a walk and visit. The paths are suitable for children and offer a beautiful scenery to enjoy along the way. Our journey begins at Mee Hill Park, where you will cross Wise Lane to enter Arrandene open space, a quiet residential street that opens into a different world.
Can't imagine. This is North London. Look at this goat. Yeah.
Within moments, the city fades away. Enjoy exploring the grassland and woodland before returning to the car park in Mee Hill, northwest London. This hike is 3.3 kilometers, which is an easy hike. It is pet friendly and is an all-season trail. We arrive at the first open meadow. This is the heart of Arrandene, with stretching fields, grazing horses, and bird sounds all around. You will never guess the northern line is just minutes away. Watch out for skylarks and white flowers in spring. Turning off the field path, you enter a shaded trail flanked old hedgerows and a corridor teeming with history and wildlife. This is home to wrens, robins, and hidden trails. This middle section of the trail is perfect for a quiet pause. Look around. You can see the tree line outlines the edge of Mee Hill history. This point is good to sit, reflect, and have a picnic. At this point, the trail loops back alongside the edge of private field and quiet woodland.
This hike is actually making me feel so good, guys. So relaxed. So lovely. I feel relaxed. All day.
And quiet woodland. Here, the light always seems to be golden and has best views before sunset. As the loop completes, we returned refreshed with a reminder that you do not need to go far to reconnect with nature. If you are in London, this space is waiting for you.